Hello everyone and welcome back to What's for Dinner number 13. I'm here to make you hungry again. The first meal I have to share with you is blade steak or pork steak, whatever you want to call it, whatever your area calls it, toast, and some herb white cheddar macaronis. They were so yummy. This is Mississippi roast, and those were boiled potatoes, but I mashed them, and sometimes I like to eat my peas on top of my potatoes, and a roll. So, baked beans, a pork chop, and potato salad. And leftover baked beans, potato salad with, I don't have any buns, hamburger night. And just use regular old bread. And I have a marinated steak with fried potatoes and Velveeta shells. A hamburger patty, some pinto beans, and fried potatoes. This was on, I believe I mixed up the pictures a little bit, but this is on a different night. We don't do fried stuff every single night. A chili cheese dog with curly fries, and I have a bit of mustard on mine as well. This night we had mock KFC bowls, which are so yummy, and I have a video for, so I'm going to link in the cards my In the Kitchen playlist. Just a plain burger with some steak fries on the side. This night we had a Salisbury banquet dinner with green beans, mashed sweet potato, and cheddar garlic biscuits. We have some deviled eggs, some potatoes, and some barbecue meatballs. So yummy. And this is pumpkin spice French toast, because we like to have breakfast for dinner, or breakfast whenever we want to eat it. Now this is tuna pasta with some mixed in peas. I like doing it like this so we get like an added vegetable. And on this night we had marinated pork chops, roll, homemade mashed potatoes, and corn on the cob, but I cut my corn off the cob. Soup beans has been my go-to comfort food lately, so soup beans, cornbread, cream corn, and taters. Shake-a-bake chicken, stuffing, green beans, and macaronis on this night. This was so yummy. Connor loves shake and bake. We had sausage cheese balls, hash browns, and a strawberry jam biscuit. This was homemade pizza one night. So yummy. And just a couple fried eggs with some biscuits and gravy. This also was so yummy. And this is eye round with some green beans with shell beans and homemade mashed potatoes. Chicken bacon ranch and cheese sandwiches. And you can make these in the crock pot. So yummy. Fried eggs, hash brown, and little breakfast sausages. And this night I was just piecing together a meal. So a roll, some blade steak, and some ramen without the soupy part in the ramen. And this is cheeseburger macaroni with mashed potatoes and peas. Once again, really quick meal but yummy. Barbecue ribs, baked beans, and potato salad. Potato salad's one of John's favorites, so you see that quite a bit. Deviled eggs too, because he often requests that side. This is taco salad. It's just all meshed together, and you know, it looks kind of funny. This is, I need to go to the grocery store, and I wanted to share this with you guys. So I have no buns. We're eating hot dogs and bread, which no big deal, and a hash brown on the side just to clear out another item from the freezer. So meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and green beans. And also, you don't see a lot of variety of veggies. John has diverticulitis. Shells, mashed boiled potato, and just plain chicken from the crock pot. One night I made homemade fries. That's why I left this in here. There's like 3 different seasonings on these potatoes, and I just cut them like steak cut fries, and they were so delicious. I don't know if I'll buy store-bought fries anymore. This was a banquet dinner. It's creamy gravy, chicken, and biscuits. So yummy. And ham, eggs, and toast one night. Also another go-to, soup and a grilled cheese, which a lot of times you'll see beef stew and grilled cheese from us because it's one of our favorites. But that night we had chicken noodle soup and sausage, scrambled eggs, and biscuits and gravy. More soup beans, like I said, my go-to comfort food lately. And this is the last meal I have to share with you guys. And I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more What's for Dinner. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.